Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 easy steps to make a passive income from blogging. Alright, now we're going to hop right into it. First of all, I'm assuming you know what a blog is. It's basically a website where people post different, content on a specific topic, whether it be, sports, cooking, celebrity, you name it. It's a place where you can find content, all right, on a particular topic. All right, so if you want to start making money with blogging, this is what you need to do. Step number 1 is pick your niche, right? And that goes back to just what I said. What is your blog about? Now, some people have a blog and they have a whole bunch of different topics that they cover, but I would recommend, if you're just getting started, just pick one niche. All right, so if you're into cooking, then your niche, your niche will be cooking, right? So your blog will be like, cooking with Sarah, or best recipes, blah blah blah, whatever, right? That's what you want to have your blog about. So pick a niche. Keep in mind, this can be anything, right? Anything that you're interested in, you're into. But you want to keep in mind, different niches have different income opportunities. For example, if you are in the niche of, expensive jewelry, right? That may be a more lucrative niche than, how to raise guinea pigs, right? But we'll kind of get into that later. But keep in mind, every niche, has their different, in my opinion, levels of earning potential. All right, but I will say you should start. Your blog should be about something that you know, or that you have a passion about. All right. So step 2 is you actually have to build the blog. Right now, honestly, this is probably the easiest step because there's so many different blog platforms that you can jump on. But the one that I'm familiar with and I still use to this very day is WordPress. And not like the little free WordPress thing. You want to get a WordPress like from wordpress.org, where you have to actually put it on your own domain server and all that stuff, where you got to get like a GoDaddy or HostGator. Super simple to set up, guys, but you can pick any platform. There's so many. You don't have to go with WordPress. There's all kinds. So you have to set up your blog first. Once you get that set up, you can post your first, your first blog post, whatever it's about. Do an introduction to the blog itself, right? Just to get the, traction going. Step number 3 is to start posting content, right? Add content to your blog. Now, the thing is, just getting started, I would recommend having some sort of schedule that you actually create content. And this is just to help you get going and get into the flow and actually start to build up your blog. So just getting started, I know some people might want to be like, oh man, I want to post every single day, right? And if you can do that, great. You know what I'm saying? The more content, the better. But I recommend being consistent and starting off with a posting schedule that fits your lifestyle, and it's something that you can stick with for a while, on a regular basis. So some people actually start with just posting one time a week, and they just post a really good they create a really good in-depth post, and they do it once a week. Some people take days to create their post. Some people, they do it every day. You know what I'm saying? They just got into a rhythm. They know what they're doing. They just make it part of their day, and they do that. But you got to fit what you got to do what fits your schedule and your lifestyle. Now, me personally, if you're just getting started, obviously you want to get things going. I would recommend, if you could, at least do twice a week posting, right? Because you want to start getting that content out there You want to start getting the search engines to recognize your blog and start to actually rank, you know what I'm saying, your blog posts and stuff like that. All right. The fourth step in making a passive income from blogging is monetize your blog. Now, there's so many different ways to monetize your blog, because obviously how you gonna make money, how you gonna make any sort of money if there's no opportunity to do so from your blog. So the first thing that people usually get taught or think about when it comes to blogging is putting ads, clickable ads on your blog posts, such as Google AdSense. Those are those little, those little ads you see all over websites like TMZ and all them other places, right? And that's where basically these little ads, anytime somebody clicks on these ads, you actually get paid, right? You get paid. Keep in mind, in most cases, you're taking people away from your blog when you have any sort of ad, on your blog. But that's one of the most popular ways to actually monetize your blog, is putting clickable ads on there where you get paid every time somebody click. Now, this goes back to my earlier point about certain niches are more lucrative than others, because say, for example, if you got a blog about, like I said, luxury sports cars, jewelry, or even the finance niche, when you put ads like Google AdSense, you can make a decent amount of money every time somebody click on one of those ads. Now, once again, if your blog is about like how to raise guinea pigs, yes, you still can have ads on your blog post, but you probably won't make nowhere near as much as you would as like another more lucrative niche, right? So keep that in mind, but it's up to you on that. Other ways that you can monetize a lot better, and that could be a lot more profitable ways to monetize, is affiliate marketing. And that's where you find different products that are related to your niche topic, right? That's related to the blog post that you're making, and you can easily put links to these other products that you're an affiliate of. A lot of people, they promote digital products, courses, and softwares on their blogs, and they're making 50 to 75% commissions, even recurring commissions, depending on what you're promoting. So a lot of people are making a ton of money just from affiliate links on their blog, right? Another way you can monetize your blog, that actually will probably come later on once you start getting more traction to it, you can actually start selling ad space to companies and even individuals, right? If they got a product, you can set up deals and say, hey, I let you promote on my blog, it'll be $100 a month or $200, for a week, or whatever you decide to do. A lot of people are making money from their blogs just by selling ad space to other entrepreneurs, business owners, product creators, and you could do the same thing too. All right. So there's a lot of different ways to monetize your blog. So just pick the one that works best for you. All right. And finally, the fifth step to make a passive income from blogging, you guessed it, it's driving traffic. You got to get traffic to your blog, period, because without traffic, there's no income, there's no money, right? So you want to make sure you find a strategy that works best for you when it comes to driving people to your blog post. Now, the number one thing that you learn when it comes to blogging is keyword research. You want to create content that people are searching for in Google and other platforms. You want to do your research and make sure you're creating content using those keyword terms. Now, there's so many different softwares out there that you can use to help you find keywords. You can even go to Google. Just type in Google keywords in Google, and I forget the name of they program, whatever. But you can find keywords for free. There's other paid services as well, but you just gotta figure out what works best for you, right? But you want to get the keywords. You want to, when you first start out, with blogging, you want to find keywords with low competition and a decent amount of search value, right? Once you get that and find those keywords, you want to create content. Just kind of like YouTube, you want to have those keywords in the titles of your blog post. You want to have those keywords sprinkled throughout your post, right? You want to hyperlink your keywords to other content on your blog, or you could even do it to your products or affiliate products, whatever. Um, but yeah, you want to get traffic, and the number one way to do that is to do your research. And it don't matter what niche you're in, because even if it's how to raise guinea pigs, I don't know why I keep talking about that, but I'm sure there's a lot of keywords that you can find that people are searching for. Might not be a lot, but you can find it and start creating content. Once you do all of that stuff and you got your keywords and everything, be sure to share your blog post on your social media, whether it be Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Share the link, what I'm saying, on all of your social media platforms. And don't be ashamed to let people know, hey, check out my new blog post. Put it on your Facebook. You know what I'm saying? You want to drive as much traffic as you can and get as much eyeballs as you can to your blog. And the more eyeballs you get to interested people, right, the more money you can make, right? It's that simple, guys. So if you want to get started with your own blog, I highly recommend doing it, because why not? Why not start? If it's something you want to do, start your blog. You could do it today. Now, a program that I always talk about, a great place if you want a lot more in-depth training on how to make money from blogging, you definitely want to check out the Wealthy Affiliate. I've talked about it a million times. I'll put a link in the description. You can check it out. It's absolutely free to check it out, and you can learn a lot for free. And there is an upgrade if you want to. But that's a great place where you can get started with building your blog. I can't talk. Damn it. Building your blog and to show you how to monetize it. All right, so that's a great place to check out. All right, so hopefully you got something from this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to comment and subscribe. Till the next time. Peace.